Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And now in this video we are going to design our recycler view and uh, adapter. And in our next video we are going to load the data in it. So first let's create a recycler view and adapter. But before that I would like you to request you to watch our previous video to learn more about complete wallpaper app using Pixabay API. So let's begin. So first of all we are going to create and a wallpaper list means and recycler view. So we are making simply a new layout and then we have to add constraint layout and recycler view and then give it width and height of match parent and simply id it as a recycler view. We are going to attach the adapter and recycler view, but we will fetch the wallpapers in our next video because it requires an 15-minute plus tutorial. So we will do it in next video. I would like you to subscribe to our channel if you are like our content. Now we are going to create an image item. So our image item is simply in a constraint layout with a 250 dp of height. Then we have to give image view and give its id image view item, and then match parent will be its height and its margin will be 2.5 dp. Then make its scale type to be center crop and add item background, and item background is here. So you can see that item background is a shape with corner radius of 3 dp, and then we have a gradient. So you can see that it looks like this. So here is that gradient. Now we are going to close that extra things. Now we are going to make an model. So for model I have id, original url and medium url. So let me show you first our things that we are going to get. So it is basically a first original url, medium url and id in the int format, and we are going to fetch a lot of more stuff from our API. So first we are just writing this much things as a first, and then we need one empty constructor and one constructor with id, original url and medium url, and then we want getters and setters. So to implement these getters and setters we have to just right click on this layout and then we have to click on generate. So we will first, let me show you. So here I right click, then generate, and then we will find getter and setter. So here it is. So when you click on that you will find the getters and setters method like this. Okay, after creating a model we will move to the adapter, which is the main part. So first we are going to make one view holder in inner class. So wallpaper view holder as a class which extend with recycler view holder. Then we have image view, a single image view, and we have to cast it. So image view is equal to item view dot find view by id. Then we have image view item. Next we have to implement one public class, extend with a recycler view. Our adapter extend with recycler view adapter and then pass the view model. Then we have a context, so make a parameter for a context. Then we have list with view wallpaper model. So here is wallpaper models, and then we have to add one constructor. So to generate that constructor, you have to right click, then generate, and here is constructor. So when you click on constructor, you will find the option to select both, then click on OK, then you will automatically generate that. Now we have to add a wallpaper view holder and in on bind view holder. So first we are going to inflate our wallpaper list item that we had created, and then we are going to bind it. So first in on create view holder, we are writing view is equal to layout inflator dot from context, and then dot inflate r dot layout dot wallpaper list item parent, and then false. After we have to return our view holder that we have created here, and in that we have to pass our view that we have created now. Then we have to make onbind view holder, and it contains of a glide with context, and we are going to load the wallpapers. So to get the wallpapers, we have to write get position, then of that position we need medium URL, and then into holder image view. So by this way we are going to use glide library, and then we have to write holder dot image view dot set on click listener. So in that we are going to start context dot start activity, and here we have new intent. So after we are going to move to a full screen activity, and from here we will get all that things like original URL and many more things that we are going to see in our upcoming videos. Then we have a get item count method. So in here we just simply return a wallpaper model size. So in this Android tutorial we had learned how to make the Recyclerview and adapter, and in our next video we are going to load the images from uh, the Pixabay API. So we will get all the constraints, and here you can see that get a screen activity. So we are going to design this get a full screen in our next video, and I think we are going to add the animations from starting to ending of this video. Means in our splash screen we had added normal animation, but now we are going to add something new, and we will also create an onboarding screen. So if you had not subscribed to our channel, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel to learn more videos. Thanks for watching Android tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe if you want free source code. Thanks for watching.